Welcome to META-INF Content Exporter Tutorials. In this video, we'll have a brief overview of Content Exporter export profile settings. When exporting to PDF, Word, or HTML using Content Exporter, you can choose how your output document should look. We call this group of settings Export Profiles. Your Confluence or Space administrator can set up global or space-level profiles, and you can customize them for each export. Global profiles are available for all spaces in that Confluence instance. Space-level profiles are only applicable in the current space. No profile means default settings. Let's have a look at what you can customize in a profile. Click Customize for this export to open the Customize Export Profile window. This window is a good place to check current profile settings even if you don't want to change them. You can pick predefined style sheets to adjust the fonts and colors of the export. Your Confluence administrator can set them up for you. Let's add a front cover page to the export. Default page orientation and margins are fine for now. You can also add headers, footers, and table of contents to the document, along with some advanced settings. We'll cover these in later videos. Click Apply and you're ready to export with the new profile settings. We'll go deeper in the details of each setting in the next videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.